In this video, we'll demonstrate how to clear the queue on Spotify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to clear your Spotify queue, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. Today, we'll guide you through the process of clearing your queue on Spotify. It's a simple task, so let's jump into Spotify. To begin, let's add a few songs to the queue. I'll tap on another artist's radio, then tap the three dots, and hit Add to Queue. I'll do the same for another song. Now that I've added a couple of songs to the queue, if I want to remove all of them, I can tap on the bottom where the current song is playing. At the bottom right, you'll see a circle with two lines under it. That's your queue. Tap on it, and you'll see what's next in the queue. To the right of that, there's an option that says Clear Queue. Simply tap on that, and it removes everything from the list. Of course, you can always add new songs to the queue if you want, but clearing it ensures a fresh start. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.